Firstly, you said napakaburara niyang si Lisa. Napaka-careless at kalat. And now you're gonna live with her?
Albert, meron naman akong sariling kwarto sa townhouse eh. I don't know why you're so concerned. Besides, kung walang paniniwala si Lisa sa neatness, problema niya na yun.
Sissy, I really suggest that you should think about this. Huh? I don't approve.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're not on the right channels here, Albert. I'm not asking for your approval. Sinasabi ko sa'yo na doon ako titira kay Lisa. Now, I appreciate your concern. Pero sa relasyon na to, sa umpisa pa lang, we agreed na re-respetuhin natin ang desisyon ng isa't isa.
It smells absolutely delicious in here. Ano yung niluluto?
Good afternoon, tita.
Good afternoon.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
It's a recipe na nakuha ko po sa internet. It has Italian sausage, fresh basil leaves.
Wow!